What is going on, guys? Welcome to Slade TV. It's the boy Slade. We got another unboxing, like always, manga unboxings. Today we have box set 4 of One Piece volumes 71 through 90. This is from Dressrosa to Reverie, and unlike some of my unboxings for manga box sets, I actually love One Piece. One Piece is one of my favorite animes. And if I do at some point have the entire collection, because these box sets are very hard to get, then I would probably read through them all as a reminder. So, that is extremely loud. Okay, so let's run through this box set. I'm gonna look at the covers. I guess I can talk a little bit more about it because I have seen all of One Piece. Definitely had like a little bit of a thick keeping to it. All right, so let's go through the, I've never looked at One Piece manga covers either, by the way, so this is also pretty awesome. So number 171, all right, we have Lucy and all of the Straw Hats. They have their disguises for Dressrosa. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It has a lot of characters. It's not like Bleach where they do like one character, or Naruto also, where they do just one person. So I guess with One Piece, it's a theme that they'll be doing multiple people, which is awesome. And this cover's pretty cool too. We got Luffy, aka Lucy, on the top. All the Tantaras, which they're just really funny. Love the coloring and detail and everything. 73, and all right, this is pretty awesome. Nami, Law. Oh, this episode was awesome. Law versus Doflamingo. That was definitely like a good way to introduce Doflamingo in the action. I think. Actually, I don't want to talk spoilers in a unboxing video. I'm actually digging all of these covers, so they kind of capture what's happening in the show. See, like looking at all the characters, I already know what is happening on multiple layers of the show, because One Piece is a anime that has a lot going on. One Piece is a manga that has a lot going on. So I'm guessing the theme with the covers is that you can kind of get a hint of what is going on with every character, like looking back, this person's fighting someone, this person's scheming, like Luffy's doing his thing here. You know, like they have a lot of every character that has something going on, they have in the cover. So that's pretty awesome. And then like in this one, you know, all these people have separate storylines going on, but at the same time they're all on the cover. Very colorful. This was one of my favorite fits for Luffy. Very clean. I love the way these feel. Always love the way new manga feels. Back in the day, used to love the way new sneakers felt and smelt. It's just nice. The Tantara Princess. Yeah, I really like this cover too. It's very classic and it's got so many characters in it. One Piece is just so rich in characters and information. It's just it's lovely. Let's do it. And see, it's weird, like I know exactly what's going on from the volumes I read, but it's kind of funny because it seems like stuff is happening fast in the manga, because when I watched it like the build-ups take time because there's so much information to cover, and One Piece seems to only do a chapter per episode. They kind of go at that rate. So yeah, there's definitely a lot going on in One Piece, and the anime is definitely longer than the manga from what I can tell at the pace of what's happening and what's going on. And this cover is really nice, and I really I love Chopper, but I really like Sanji's fit in this arc. So this is a mini arc called Zoe, and I guess, yeah, from Dressrosa to Reverie. I kind of forgot about the existence of this arc. It's kind of like a side arc that's going on at the same time. So you kind of get more of every single character in all of them. And I love the way Luffy is just carrying Carrot and everybody on his back. Oh, Was Whole Cake in between? Yo, see, I don't even know. Now my memory is like kind of getting weird. Yeah. Whole Cake did happen in between. Yeah, all right. See, this cover is sick with all of Germa 66. Dressrosa Reverie. I didn't realize how much was covered through those arcs. For some reason, I just Reverie's, well, like barely an arc. Sanji and Puddin. There's just, well, One Piece's story is crazy. There's so much going on at any given time. And Katakuri, this is definitely he's definitely involved in one of the best fights in One Piece. This was awesome too when they all dress up like mobsters. Luffy's got his mobster hat over his straw hat. From Dressrosa to Reverie, like you definitely just forget because Reverie's right before Wano. And our last book in this box set, last manga, volume 90, and it's just got like a mashup of all the characters, and I like the way it captures what's going on. And this is the beginning of Wano because Reverie basically just transcends into Wano because it's very short, but like all the like tensions that are going on with the characters that are in this area. We have here the solitary journey of Jinbei. That's awesome. This is like the stuff we don't get in the show, and even summer is falling. And damn, this is a really cool kind of captures the vibe of One Piece too, in the sense that they're so carefree and everything's kind of like one big adventure. Wow, this is very nice, very clean. Like oh, this poster is dope, yo. It's everyone as a kid and then everyone as an adult. This is actually a really nice poster. I didn't pay attention to what the posters look like prior. I just buy the box sets. So this has to be overall probably my favorite poster that I've ever gotten in a manga box set. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment as always, and let me know if you guys enjoy these unboxings. And definitely got some other box sets and unboxings coming soon, anime reviews coming soon.